a complete guide to the professional installation process of transparent LED screens. Install LED display cabinet to the brackets for the first row and secure them with fixing locks once alignment is confirmed. Use the fast locks on each panel's edges to connect and secure adjacent panels together. Begin by connecting the first row of panels using the fast locks, ensuring perfect alignment. Mount the assembled LED screen onto the truss system, ensuring all mounting points are secure. Connect power cables between cabinets. Connect signal cables between cabinets. Connect the main power cable of the screen. Connect the signal cable. Connect the HDMI cable to the computer and controller. Connect the power cable of the controller. The transparent LED screen is now perfectly installed and ready for operation. Top Dance Transparent LED Display, your trusted LED solutions.